webercem Advanced Repair Concrete is a pre-blended cementitious repair concrete which has been tested for conformity to BSEN 1504 Part 3 as a Class R4 repair mortar and complies with National Highways 5700 series for highway works. Step 1. Preparation. The area to be repaired should be cleaned and prepared in accordance with the technical data sheet. Watertight shuttering should be used as this is a fluid material. The repair area should be pre-dampened for a minimum of 2 hours using clean, potable water. Before application, the shutters should be drained to remove the water used for pre-soaking the substrate. Step 2. Mixing. Pour the correct amount of water into a bucket and then insert the mixer. Ideally, this should be a double-headed mixer, medium speed drill, 650 RPM with an MR4 type helical attachment. Open the bag and slowly add the powder to the water. Mix until a uniform, smooth, creamy consistency is achieved. For larger concrete repair projects, a force action mixer can be used to pump the product into place. Remove the mixing paddle and clean equipment. Allow the product to stand for 2 minutes to allow entrained air to dissipate. Step 3. Application. A slow, continuous flow is an essential operation and sufficient product and water should be available to be mixed to ensure there is no disruption during placement. Continue to pour until the area has been completely filled. webercem Advanced Repair Concrete is self-compacting. You can see how the steel reinforcement is completely encapsulated by the flowable repair concrete. Care should be taken to avoid any air entrapment during application. Setting time at 20 degrees Celsius is approximately 4 hours. Please call our technical hotline for further help or support. webercem Advanced Repair Concrete has many uses, including repair of concrete to bridge structures, repairing concrete columns, beams, walls and soffits, repair of car parks, buildings, balconies and stairwells, coastal structural repairs to jetties, piers and seawall reconstruction, repairs to concrete containing cathodic protection systems when using webercem Advanced Repair Concrete CP.